Hello everybody, today I am going to say NLX method in the chemistry. Actually, this NLX method is electronic configuration method. This method helps to find the electronic configuration. This is also known as shorthand notation. Shorthand notation method. Shorthand notation method. And this is the electronic configuration method. Now let's discuss the what is meant by NLX. Here N indicates principal quantum number. Principal quantum number or possible quantum number we can take, like in the electronic configuration. Now L indicates subshell of the electron given to find the electronic configuration. There are actually 4 subshells SPDF. So here L indicates the subshell or angular momentum. In two ways we can write angular momentum or subshell. X denotes number of electrons. Number of electrons in a given element. These are the indicates NLX. N means principal quantum number or possible quantum number, that is the number or anything, symbol. L subshell or angular momentum. It denotes the subshell. X denotes number of electrons here. Now let's discuss an example on this. Example. Lithium, its atomic number is 3. This configuration we know that 1s2 and 2s1. This is an electronic configuration for the lithium. Here NLX method is we have to write NLX for different numbers, like NLX 1s2. This is we can indicate 1 as N, L, 2 as X. So here the NLX will be for the lithium. N is equals to 1 S. L is equals to S subshell. S subshell SPDF. This is lithium is in S subshell or angular momentum. X, the number of electrons present in the above, that is 2 electrons. This is for 1s2. Same as for 2s1 we can write 2s1 NLX is equals to, here N indicates 2, NLX 2s1, like that we can indicate. L is S. So S subshell, number of electrons here is 1. This is the lithium configuration, that is shorthand notation method. Now let's see another one. Another example. Example 2. Carbon. Carbon atomic number is, for this atomic number is 6. So the electronic configuration will be in the plus of 6. 1s2, 2s4. This is an electronic configuration for the carbon 1s2, 2s4. Now let's write the NLX method for the two elements, that is individual. First for 1s2 NLX we have to write like this NLX. N will be 1 and S Carbon is also S subshell. S subshell. Number of electrons is X, 2 here. Now for 2s4, N, L, X. Yeah. 2. N is 2 here. By this we can know that the first letter before the subshell will be N, L will be the letter, alphabet letter, and the above, the power will be X, number of electrons in the given element. L is S, S subshell or quantum number, angular quantum number. X is 4, the number of electrons are 4 in the 2s4. Hence the electronic configuration or NLX method, shorthand notation method, is 1s2, 2s4 for the carbon, and these are the individual parts for the electronic configuration, that is NLX method. This is about the NLX method concept in chemistry. Thank you.